Identify conjunction. Standard 10th. Subject English. E-test. Like, share, subscribe. Video creation शिवाजी बापू जगताप. कंजक्शन दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त शब्द किंवा वाक्यांना जोडणाऱ्या शब्दांना कंजक्शन असे म्हणतात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ही वॉज रिच अँड पॉवरफुल. ऑप्शन 1 पॉवरफुल, ऑप्शन 2 रिच, ऑप्शन 3 ही, ऑप्शन 4 अँड. Correct answer option 4 and. Question number 2. He tried hard but he did not succeed. Option 1 but, option 2 succeed, option 3 tried, option 4 hard. Correct answer option 1 but. Question number 3. Neha got first number because he studied harder. Option 1 studied, option 2 got, option 3 hard, option 4 because. Correct answer option 4 because. Question number 4. He came after I had finished my work. Option 1 after, option 2 came, option 3 finished, option 4 work. Correct answer option 1 after. Question number 5. She is my mother, so I respect her. Option 1 respect, option 2 mother, option 3 so, option 4 see. Correct answer option 3 so. Question number 6. Mumbai had gone before I spoke to her. Option 1 Mumbai, option 2 before, option 3 gone, option 4 spoke. Correct answer option 2 before. Question number 7. Please stay where you are. Option 1 where, option 2 stay, option 3 please, option 4 you. Correct answer option 1 where. Question number 8. Though he felt offended, he took the humble gift. Option 1 offended, option 2 humble, option 3 took, option 4 though. Correct answer option 4 though. Question number 9. These people were not only good but also loyal. Option 1 loyal, option 2 people, option 3 good, option 4 not only but also. Correct answer option 4 not only but also. Question number 10. Unless it rains, he will come. Option 1. Unless. Option 2. Come. Option 3. Will. Option 4. Rains. Correct answer. Option 1. Unless. Question number 11. Ram told Gopal that he read a book. Option 1. Told. Option 2. Read. Option 3. That. Option 4. Book. Correct answer. Option 3. That. I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.